Top lawyer Fadzai Mahere has raised concerns over the government's plans to introduce a structured currency. She argues that the lack of public education and the absence of a legal framework pose significant challenges to its implementation. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. President Emmerson Mnangagwa announced that the government was actively working on a structured currency as part of their efforts to enhance currency and economic stability. Reports indicate that the launch of this structured currency is imminent, coinciding with the appointment of John Mushayabanu as the new Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) governor. Fadzai Mahere, sharing her thoughts on social media, advises the public to exercise caution. She points out that previous currency introductions in recent years have all faced challenges and ultimately failed. This is today's news about Mahere telling ZANU-PF that you don't launch a currency like launching a music album. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.